Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send emoji on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to send emojis on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and over here guys, go to the group or that person's chat box to whom you want to send emojis. So if that person is not available on this list, you can see there is the plus icon available for us at the bottom of the screen, at the bottom right corner of the screen on the green box. Tap on that plus icon and all of your contacts will be available over here. So I'll be just sending the message to myself. And over here guys, now in order to send emojis, you can see there is the smiley option available for us just beside the chat box over here. Tap on that and all of the emojis will be available over here, your recent emojis. And if you see at the bottom of the screen, there is a list where you can find a lot of emojis. Now you can choose view all of these emojis before you send these emojis to someone. And with that being said guys, you can explore all of these emojis you can see, and you can go through these. So you can choose any emoji you can like over here, and let's go. You can choose from over here. Either you want to go through these and check it or check them all out guys. If you want to check them all out, just swipe this keyboard or the panel to the top and you will be able to view all of the emojis with ease. So after choosing your emojis guys, they will be on the message bar over here at the top of the screen. You can see send, and it will be sent on WhatsApp. So, and if you want to react on a message with the emoji, then you can tap and hold on that message, either from your side the message should be, or your friend's side, whichever may be. If you tap and hold on the message, you will be able to react an emoji over here like this. Either you can go through these default emojis, or you can simply tap on the plus icon available over here and you can still choose a lot of emojis from here to react. So let's go this and let's tap this and let's choose this, and you can see guys the reaction is over there, or the emoji is over there on the WhatsApp message. So guys, this is how to send an emoji on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.